Let's unbox the Chanel handbag for the giveaway that begins on July 2nd. Lifestyle with Isabella. Learn to look the best. Welcome to Lifestyle with Isabella, ladies, where we learn to look the best while being our best selves. Let's unbox my giveaway that is going to start on July 2nd. I have not seen the handbag in person. I only saw a couple of pictures, so I'm very excited. I thought I'm gonna sit on the floor to do this giveaway. For some reason, I thought it will be easier. So let's see if I can. Okay, so we just take this beautiful flower off, and I'm gonna set this here. We're gonna undo the ribbon. Ooh, it's very tightly knotted. I would like not to cut it if possible. Let's see. Let's see. We undo the ribbon. Put the ribbon here. And we open the box. And this is in the box. Beautiful wrapping paper with a Chanel label. I bought the handbag through a wonderful essay from Neiman Marcus. If you need a really hardworking essay within Neiman Marcus, I am going to link her Instagram name below. I highly recommend her. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, my doggies are thinking that I'm unwrapping a gift for them. Let's see. Lots of papers. And then there's a lot of protective covers around the handbag. We also have, okay, well, we'll look at this. So this is the beautiful handbag I am going to give away. This right here, it's a felt cover. I'm not going to remove that because whoever wins the handbag, I want to have it. I'm also not going to remove the wrap around the handle. But the handbag, it's made out of sequins. And the cool thing about it, depending on how you brush them, the handbag changes colors. Do you notice? So you could have the handbag in black, or you could have it in a beige, or a combination. So the handbag, you see, it's very versatile. That's why I picked it. It's in a small, it's a small size, and it's a flap handbag. Let's open it just a bit. This is how it opens. And again, I really don't want to remove a whole lot of the protective. Oh, well, I can put that back. This is the handbag. And then the chain, it's all wrapped up in there. So again, notice how you can change the color of the sequins and wear it depending on how you want. Very cool. And you can brush them down. So it can be a black handbag, or beige handbag, or a combination. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? I wish we could see part of the chain because it's so pretty, but all the chain is wrapped up in here. And let's see. And then this is the chain. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Yeah. I can wrap it back up. We can actually then get a good look of how everything looks. Oh, also there's a plastic cover over the C over there. Yes. Okay. So there's the beautiful handbag for the giveaway. Very special. I mean, can you see the sequence? And it's so versatile, not just because of the color, because you can wear it in a beige or a black, but you can wear it with jeans, and you can wear it obviously with a cocktail dress and everything in between. I was so happy when I found it. So my giveaway is going to start on July 2nd. I am going to now officially announce it on the video that airs on my channel on July 2nd. And that same video, I'm going to announce how to enter the giveaway, but actually it's going to be quite easy. I do want to let you know that unlike my other Chanel giveaway I had in April, this one is going to be run mainly on my YouTube channel. So I don't know if you're just as excited as I am, but look at that, beautiful. Look how it sparkles. Honestly, I feel like I want one too. I mean, but it's just so versatile. I will wear it so much. It's just, and you know, I don't want to take that protective cover from the C. I want the person who wins it to take it off. But the hardware, it's not gold. It's not gray. It's like a gunmetal color. It's just very pretty. It's just so beautiful. So I kind of want one for myself. I wonder if the SA can find it. I mean, it's just so freaking nice. Just absolutely stunning. So yes, July 2nd, the giveaway is going to start. I am excited. I hope you're excited as I am. So we will get ready for the giveaway. In the meantime, watch one of my other YouTube videos, and thank you so much. Bye.